in the book of Matthew in chapter 24, in verse 21. For then there will be great distress, unequaled from the beginning of the world until now, and never to be equaled again. Ganyan kalala, ganyan nakakatakot at nakakabalisa ang panahon na tinatawag na dakilang kapighatian. That's how distressing, that's how bad, that's how dark are these times of great tribulation. Jesus Christ said, there will be great distress, unequaled from the beginning of the world until now. Ang kalagayan ng mundo sa dakilang kapighatian ay hindi maihahalin tulad sa anumang masasamang mga panahon na nangyari sa balat ng lupa. Malala pa ang mangyayari sa dakilang kapighatian kaysa sa Second World War, kaysa sa First World War, kaysa sa Global 19 pandemic. Wala nang masamang panahon na makakapantay sa sama ng dakilang kapighatian. Jesus Christ said, there is no event that can ever equal and come close to the darkness of the great tribulation. And Jesus Christ isn't joking. He's not exaggerating when he said that there is going to be a time of great distress. And the great tribulation will come when the church, first of all, is raptured. Rapture sa Tagalog ay pag-agaw. Sa mismong salita ng Biblia, tayo ay aagawin at tayo ay dadalhin ng Panginoon sa kanyang piling. According to Jesus Christ, or according to the words of the Bible in the book of 1 Thessalonians in chapter 4 verse 15, according to the Lord's word, we tell you that we who are still alive, who are left until the coming of the Lord, will certainly not precede those who have fallen asleep.